Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel Amazon Prime membership. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, go ahead, first of all, access your Amazon app on your mobile phone. Right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal menu icon in the bottom right, tap on your account on top. Scroll down till you get this option of manage Prime membership right over here. Go ahead, tap on it, and there you will be able to find the membership that you're using on your Prime right over here. Afterwards, once you have found your particular subscription, if you have taken one, you will find this option of update. Go ahead, tap on it, and there you will be able to get the option of cancel. Go ahead, tap on it, and then it will simply ask you for your verification to provide. Once you have provided that, you will be able to successfully cancel your Prime membership right on here Amazon, like that. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.